Apothecary here. Hope the music isn't too distracting, but I'm feeling it today. As a review, we are going over basic SQL statements in MySQL. I'm using Apothecary. Let's go ahead and show the tables just to review. This is what's going on in items. And let's go ahead and get all the data in items as well. Let's say that I want to group this in terms of, okay, I don't care about the name, I just want to know how many categories I have, what are the categories, and how many of each item do I have per category. So I want to select the category. Oh my gosh. I want to select the category from items. Now, I want more than that. Let's select the category and the count of the category, and let's call it total categories. You don't have to declare what it's called, I just like to because, you know, housekeeping. And as soon as you use any of these built-in functions, you need to group by something. If you want it to be in order, you can do that as well. If you want it to be in the other order, you can add descending to the end. And that's how you do that. Now let's look at order lines, order line, and let's look at the data. The little asterisk means all. Now what's going on here is let's just select all from orders to compare. The reason why we have order line is because it's an associative entity between orders and items and user ID. So bottom line, we can have multiple orders in order line, and that's because, well, say in one order you order more than one item. So that's how that's a little context on that. So let's say that we want, okay, well, I want every single order and I want the total sum of what the customer paid per order. So in this case, because the data set is so small, we're only going to sum these two things. But let's see how we get there. Let's select the order number just for clarification purposes. Let's sum up the selling price because that's what we're actually selling, and this time we actually do want to sell it. Let's call it total sale. We're using table order line. And remember that we have to group by order number. So that's your problem if you're seeing something like this. You need to say, hey, by the way, per order number, not just like total sum. Now the reason why it's spitting out these weird numbers is because we need to round it. And you can round to a whole number, or you can round to 2 decimal places. Let's go ahead and order this one as well. Total sale. And let's order it the other way again. Okay, thank you for joining me. Please subscribe. I'm going to be going over other select statements in other videos, still using Apothecary. Thanks.